Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no labels, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win.
Masuk di lautan lepas.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Trying to get by, life's rough. Trying to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I want. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing.
Warna biru muda. Wow,
it's burning. All this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay. I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright. I'm just barely getting by, but I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Serba salah.
Langsir 2 kali.
Mana, Cek?
guys, akhirnya kita sudah sampai di Pulau Mas di Flores Timur. Jadi inilah situasi dan keadaan di Pulau Mas. Ya, kita bisa lihat pantainya juga sangat bersih ya teman-teman. Dan juga perjalanan dari kota Larantuka Pulau Mas ini sekitar 1 jam lebih menggunakan perahu motor. Dan keadaan di sini memang sangat indah ya teman-teman. Kita bisa lihat lautnya juga sangat bening ya. Kita bisa lihat juga awannya juga mendukung lah, situasi sangat mendukung untuk pada saat ini. Awannya sangat cerah. Jadi guys, teman-teman, untuk yang ingin berrekreasi ke sini, datanglah. Sangat cocok untuk kegiatan tamasya atau liburan di sini. Oke.
Sleep for a while, my eyes are closed. But there is one thing I know.